What is up, YouTube? For today's video, I'm gonna be practicing the Rubik's Cube on my bed. What am I doing? Why am I doing it on my bed? Well, the first reason is because I have nowhere to put it, and that's pretty much it. I don't have another reason to do it. Because I cannot do it in here because I don't have like a setup. So I'm just gonna practice for a little bit. Practice with me if you want. It's a pretty good kind of exercise to practice the Rubik's Cube. I do it in about like 30 seconds, so it's kind of nice. Here. There you go. Okay. Let's do this. Hold on. Let's say that's decent, right? It's pretty decent. Alright, so I'm gonna practice for a little bit. 19 seconds. I'd say that's pretty good, I'd say. Put it right here. It's kind of hard, because sometimes you're not really focused because of the camera, but I'm trying my best to do it. "27 seconds. That is pretty good, I'd say. Well, kind of like doing the solves, it's pretty easy, I'd say, but you gotta kind of figure out the fastest way of doing it, and sometimes you gotta memorize a lot of lines, which is kind of weird. I'm gonna accommodate the light a little bit. That should be a little bit better. A little bit better, right? Alright, I'm gonna do, I don't know, this one. Got a blue one. "23 seconds. Could be a lot better. Add a lot of pauses in there. 24 is not the worst, but it could be definitely better. That's for sure. I'm practicing a lot of algorithms, which is kind of nice because you can like get into the mood. The mood. Sorry. Yeah. Some people think that I actually plan my solves, which that's absolutely stupid. because I've never done that in my life, and it's just dumb to do it. And there's no absolutely no point of doing it unless you don't know how to solve it, and then you do it. But I know how to solve it, so I have no need of doing it. Actually, why not? Take this one. Alright. Oh man, it's not solved yet, so that is a +2 in seconds, of course. So I got a 24, but technically I would get a 26 in a competition because I didn't. I it was one move to solve it, so that's probably not the best case scenario that I had, but I kind of slipped and I put the timer on, so I'm enough. It is what it is. Let's go to the next one. I've been doing this for like 5 years, I'd say. It's a really good hobby. You get kind of interested by it quickly. +23. Put a little bit downwards so you can actually see it. Not the best case, but let's try it. Fuck. I don't want to pause it as much. What? Such a bad case. Such a bad case. I get a 31 because I absolutely messed up the first step, which is doing the little cross here. I absolutely messed that up for no reason. I just forgot that I had to rotate, and then when I went to the next step, it was unsolved. Absolutely my fault. Absolutely my fault. Not the best last step, but the first like F2L on the cross, it was pretty good. It's pretty good actually. What is that? Not the best case, absolutely not the best case. I'm not the best at doing the cross, so have a little bit of patience. 19. But I got a really good last step, so it was really productive, I'd say. I'm gonna start with this one now, because these two, it's the same but different at the same time. So this one is a little bit loosened, is a little bit like faster, but you cannot really control yourself. This one, and this one is slower, but you can control it. So it's kind of good in both ways. Mm. 24. Oh, wait. 27. Ugh. I'm gonna probably do two more like rounds, and then I'm gonna try to get well, like a minus 20 time. It would be like 19, 18, if possible 17, but I don't think so. I hope. 31 could be a lot better, but I don't know. I was too slow on that one. But I'm gonna try this one. As you can see, it is pretty well unsolved, kind of mixed. 22 for a lot of moves. I'd say it's quite impressive. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna try it. Let's go, these the last one. Let's do it. What is this shit, bro? Oh my god, bro! I got a 29, but this corner twisted, so I cannot really solve it. So I had to like twist it at some point, which it took like 5 seconds. Okay, last one. I'm gonna try to do my best. Fuck, I got a really bad case. $25. Alright, one more with this one. One more with this one. That's it. I just want something less than 25. Or than 20, if possible. That works, that works, that works. I got at 20. So it was a pretty good kind of like exercise. Of course I've done this the Rubik's Cube for a long time. It was great. You gotta learn the first of all the kind of like the first method that you gotta learn is the easiest one. Is on YouTube if you wanna see it. It's pretty good. Leave a comment, subscribe, and like the video. Peace out.